Okay, so first, we need to start with the daily data right here. We are not looking for the old structure like this. We are only focusing on how fair value gaps work. So as you can see, I wanted to explain institutional order flow entry drill on fair value gap. Okay, so what is the institutional order flow entry drill? Let me show you terminology. You can type like this, and it's shit. Give me a second. Okay. So order flow. Give me a second. Yes. Institutional order flow entry drill, guys. So what is this pattern? Okay. This pattern is when market came back. As you can see, what did I say? This right here is our intermediate term high right here, guys. Okay, short term high right here, another short term high. This becomes intermediate term high. Another confirmation that price is going lower, drawn liquidity. So fair value gap right here, the inefficient price action. Price chased the yield. Price did not even feel this on the equilibrium level, and this is what we call institutional order flow entry drill, where the banks entry right here, where the banks sell right here, next drawn the liquidity. Okay, so I want to explain that, and let's go on the charts right here. You can see fair value gap right here, boom, boom. So I'm not saying that price is going to fill every fair value gap you see on the market, because as you can see, price is not filling every gap. Okay, like right here, price is making breakaway gaps which may fill in the future, like now. Okay, as you can see, price fills it, the old fair value gap. This is a new data, guys. It's a 1 or 2 month data right here. As you can see, boom, fair value gap, boom, and drops down. Okay, and we are on the fair value gap right now, as you can see right here. To be honest, this price action is pretty rare. I don't like it, because we are mostly consolidating. Boom, expands, boom, down expands. Let's go on a lower time frame. So what I am expecting for the next week, guys, we have this 1 hour CB right here. As you can see, price tapped, but we also have this fair value gap right here, as you can see, and also a mitigation block. Why is this mitigation block? Because price failed to break this low right here before the up move. I will explain mitigation blocks later. Okay, so we are on this CB right now. We broke the structure right here. It's going on a higher time frame, and we have this 3 candle formation order block right here, as I explained. So let me make it better to see. Okay, so we have this order block right here. Why is this order block? Because this order block swept out this equal highs right here. Okay, this becomes order block, and you can see how price drops. I think this was the high impact market news. So I'm expecting price. Give me a second. So one more right here, as you can see, fair value gap, price fills. This down close candle is accumulation. Okay, we also have this order block right here. So accumulation, and price moves away and makes the gap on the 1 hour chart, as you can see. So we are waiting for the shift in lower time frame, because if this extreme order block gets fair value gap will be broken, I'm gonna try to find long setups to this order block right here. Longing, I don't care, will it breaks from here, but it will be great if price takes the high right here on the London, because it may be a judo swing. And let's see what will happen, guys. Okay, so this was the fair value gap video, and thank you for listening. Also, I want to say, if you like my mentorship right here, if you like my trade technical analysis, you will give me a big motivation to keep going and to provide better content, to make everything better, and give me a motivation. Just drop a good review right here on the Testimonials channel, and thanks for watching.